Greetings, ITCE 3200 students. These are the slides for week 6. I just want to draw to everyone's attention that even if you have class with me on Monday, which is Thanksgiving, I'm still posting and expecting you to view the slides and complete the activities in the slides. And please note that towards the end of today's slides, I describe and explain in further detail the team's reflection. And it's already posted in DC Connect, the instructions, but I'll go into more details here in the slides. So this is video 1, and I'm just going to go over the agenda in this video. So the first thing that we're going to do is a personality dimensions activity. I'm going to explain what personality dimensions is and why we're doing it. Then you're going to take the test or assessment, and then we're going to do a class activity. So I hope you can join us. And if you have the class on Monday, you are welcome to join either Wednesday or Thursday's class. Just send me an email and let me know which one you'd like to join. And then what we're going to do, actually I have this incorrect, well maybe, we will talk about formal meetings and how they run, and unless we've run out of time, and then I'll assign you to do that on your own. Thanks. And that's the end of video 1 for week 6.